Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Sweet Life of Dolls. I'm Laquita, and today, look what we have today. She's not a doll, but she's a little stuffy, I think. Oh, she's so cute and soft. She is the Little Live Pets, My Baby Monkey, and her name is Mingo. So I got this for my daughter, so I thought I would show you guys how cute this little baby is. Oh, look at that. Hi, Mingo. And it says that she sucks her thumb. It says, I feed and sound like a baby monkey. Over 50 sounds and reactions that she's holding. I have cut her some of her ties already. And I was like, oh, let me show you guys this little monkey before I cut her out. Let's see what the back says. So, look at that, guys. It's the cutest baby monkey. You can tickle her. You can see, oh, she sucks her thumb. And she makes a feeding sounds. And she also has a monkey grip. And she can sense her position. Wow, you guys. I thought it was super, super cute, and she was on sale, so I was like, I have to have that for my daughter. And let's get her out. Okay, we got her out the box. So we have her bottle. We have some instructions about the batteries. You can hear her. She's talking. Hi, Mingo. And she does come with an adoption certificate. So that's really, really cute. My daughter's going to fill this out. And it also comes with some instructions about what she does and how she does it. And everything like that. So I'm going to put this to these. Yeah, I know. Let's put this over here. Okay, can you show them how she drinks her bottle?
That's how she drinks her bottle.
Does she want it? Is it in her mouth? Let's see. Mingo, do you want your bottle?
Mingo.
She said, She said she don't want it.
She said,
She don't want her bottle. Okay, tickle her, see if she wants to. Oh.
It's cute.
See if she wants her thumb instead. Let's see if she wants her thumb. No. She probably doesn't want that either. She does have a she does have a stomach sensor. Okay, turn her upside down. Let's see what she does then. Bring her over to the camera. Bring her here. Let's see. Let's see.
She's grabbing on the green. Mango! What are you doing, Mango? Mango!
Oh, she's falling asleep. Don't go to sleep, Mango.
We're in a video, Mango!
Don't go to sleep.
Don't go to sleep.
No, don't go to sleep.
You never have to go to sleep, Mango.
I can't remember where her other sensor are. But I know she has one here.
I also have one.
Let's try her bottle. Let's try her bottle again. Yeah, let's try. Let's see if she wants her bottle.
Mango,
Oh, there she go. She drinking a bottle.
Well, we have to hold her head
Yeah.
like this.
Oh, this is so cute.
Make your head go a little. Oh,
Is she thirsty? Is she
no,
finished?
that was a big one, baby. That was a big one.
No. Oh my gosh. She's so
Don't
cute.
go to sleep, Mango. Oh my goodness, Mango. You want your bottle again? No, baby, don't. Get this out of your mouth.
So she is a very soft, and her hands feel like it may be made of a little bit of silicone or a very soft, pliable plastic. It's not like all plastic, or a soft vinyl maybe. But it has a silicone touch to it. Let's see if she will still go to sleep. Let's see if she'll drink her bottle. There you go, Mango. Let's see if she'll drink her bottle. You see her mouth moves when she drinks her bottle. Oh, that's super cute. Let's sit her up. Did you have enough? Did you have enough to drink? Huh? Yeah. And she can hold on to things. She can suck her thumb. She can hold on, grip things with her hands and her feet. She can grip on or a hanger. She thinks that's funny. To hang on to different things. She can hang upside down if you wanted her to. So this is a great addition to my daughter's nursery. But I just wanted to show you guys her. My daughter wants her to be a girl, so we're gonna make her a girl. But we'll keep the name Mango. She's so cute. Oh, and she does hold her bottle. Let's see if I can get her to hold the bottle with one hand. I got my tripod today, y'all. But she does hold her bottle. She's a big, big girl. She says, I can hold my own bottle. Okay, see, she can hold her bottle. But show them you can hold your own bottle. Look at that. She can hold it herself. Oh, there is a monkey tag. But someone comment down below what's the monkey tag and who does the monkey tag so that we can participate. Hopefully my daughter will let her come back on the video and do another video with us. Yeah, so I just wanted to do this quick video to show you my daughter Monkey Mango, and she's so adorable. And hopefully she'll be back in some more videos, doing some more things with us. And we're gonna see. She said, you don't want to be in the video? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is another series of Mommy and Me. Thank you for watching. Have a sweet and fantastic day.